I am delighted to extend a special welcome to Sri S.P. Agarwal ji, Executive Chairman Mates. Your leadership and guidance have been the driving force behind our endeavors, and we are grateful for your continuous support, sir. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Neelam Sharma, Director MATE, Professor S.S. Deswal, Dean Academics, and Professor Sachin Gupta, Dean Research and Innovation MATE. Your leadership and commitment to academic excellence have been instrumental in shaping the educational landscape of our institution. A special mention goes out to all the heads of department, faculty members and participants who forms the backbone of our academic community. Your dedication to the pursuit of knowledge and academic excellence is what makes our institution thrive.
Throughout the duration of this program, we are privileged to host renowned experts in the field who will not only share their knowledge but also engage in interactive sessions, hands-on lab sessions, and provide a unique opportunity for all of you to experience an industrial visit. This isn't just another academic exercise. It is an opportunity for you to connect, learn, and explore the dynamic world of the semiconductor technology. As we embark on this journey together, let us not forget the broader purpose, the ignition of minds, the catalyst for collaborative research. This FDP is not just about upgrading our technology, it is about upgrading ourselves, our perspectives, and our contribution to the ever-evolving field of electronics and communication.
So let us seize this opportunity, make the most of knowledge presented before us, and emerge not just as participants but as catalysts for a change, innovation, and progress. Thank you for your attention, and let the next 6 days be a transformative experience for each and every one of us. If I may, please let us all take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the essence of unity and patriotism that binds us together. I kindly request each and every one of you to rise from your seats as a mark of respect to our beloved nation. In these next few moments, let us immerse ourselves in the solemnity and pride that our national anthem embodies.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Standing on unison not only reflects our shared love for our nation, but also underscores the strength that lies in our nation. As we now resume the business of the day, I kindly request everyone to take their seats. Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Today as we stand together in pursuit of knowledge and progress, let us symbolize the triumph of light over darkness. I request the esteemed dignitaries along with the heads of all departments to join us for the lamp lighting ceremony.
As we witness this ceremony, let us acknowledge and appreciate the light bearers on the stage for their invaluable contributions to education and enlightenment. Please join me in giving them a warm and resounding applause as they illuminate the stage with the light of knowledge.
या
The sapling, symbolizing growth, resilience, and the promise of a better tomorrow, serves as a small yet powerful token of our appreciation for their presence and guidance. We offer these saplings with gratitude and anticipation for the growth and prosperity that our shared endeavors will undoubtedly bring. I would like to request Professor Neelam Sharma ma'am to kindly present the sapling to Sri S.P. Agarwal ji as a token of gratitude.
Coordinator FDP to present the sapling to Professor Neelam Sharma, Director Meet. I would like to request Dr. Anubha Goyal to present the sapling to Professor Sachin Gupta, Dean Research and Innovation Meet. Thank you very much, sir. Nothing worthwhile happens overnight. It takes a blend of skills and art to master an idea. With this spirit, we are thrilled to welcome Professor Sunil Kumar, HOD of the History Department and the coordinator of this FDP to deliver the welcome address.
Namaskar and good morning to all of you. Respected Dr. Subodh Inderji, Chief Guest of the function, Sri S.P. Agarwal ji, Executive Chairman, MAIS, Dr. Umakant Goyal, Scientist DRDO and Keynote Speaker of this event, Professor Neelam Sharma, Director, MAIS, Professor S.S. Deshpal, Dean Academics, MAIS, Professor Sachin Gupta, Dean Research, all the HODs, professors, colleagues, invited guests, participants, I, Professor Sudhir Mathur, coordinator of this FDP, and HOD EC, on behalf of myself, my team, and my department, welcome you all to this AICT-sponsored FDP. I express my deep appreciation for continuous inspiration of Dr. Nandadev Garg, Founder Chairman, MAIS, Chancellor, MAU, Sri Vinay Kumar, Chairman, MAIS, Sri S.P. Agarwal ji, Executive Chairman, MAIS, Sri T.R. Garg, General Secretary, MAIS, Sri Rajneesh Gupta, Secretary, MAIS, Professor Neelam Sharma, Director, MAIS, Professor S.S. Deshpal, Dean Academics, for their never-ending support and timely guidance. It is my pleasure to share the success of our department in organizing this AICT-sponsored faculty development program on semiconductor materials, devices, design and applications. We are honored to have received support from AICT, an institution synonymous with the highest standard in technical education. AICT has generously granted us a budget of Rs 3.5 lakhs to successfully execute this educational program, which not only validates our institute's capability but also underscores the importance of the subject matter. The goal of this FDP is to bring together academicians, research scholars, and industry experts with shared interests on a common platform. It serves as an opportunity to foster networking and engaging in scientific conversation regarding the latest breakthrough in semiconductor material, device, and design-based applications. I am pleased to announce that the response of FDP has been overwhelming. There are total 50 participants in this FDP as per the guidelines of AICT, that is the maximum limit. Among them, 18 are our internal faculty members, showcasing their keen interest and commitment. Additionally, we welcome 36 external participants with 15 from Delhi and 21 from various corners of our diverse nation. In the last, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the entire team of the FDP with Dr. Anuba Goyal as coordinator, Ms. Salu and Ms. Neera as the executive core committee members. Mr. Paveen Seni has been instrumental in organizing the lab, and their collective efforts have contributed significantly to the success of this event. In conclusion, let us embrace the wealth of knowledge that this faculty development program offers. May it serve as a springboard for all attendees, propelling them towards increased expertise and innovation in the exciting world of semiconductor material devices, design and applications. Thank you very much, and I wish everyone a fruitful and enlightening time throughout the faculty development program. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your thought-provoking address that sets a perfect platform for our speakers to deliver their presentations in the area of semiconductor devices. Your insights leaves us truly excited for the upcoming sessions. Embracing a rich tradition of Atithi Devo Bhava, we are honored to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, a jewel among humans, Dr. Subodh Jindal. Despite his demanding schedule, he graciously spared us time for us. Let's express our gratitude with a big round of applause for Sir's presence on this stage. Dr. Subodh Jindal has done his PhD from IIT Delhi in IC chip designing and exemplifies a healthy combination of strong technological background, industrial experience, and a collective endeavor. He holds 45 years of experience in industry, government regulatory framework, human resource development, higher technical education, research and development, project mobilization, and resource optimization. Over the years, Dr. Jindal has occupied leading positions in industry chambers and in government advisory committees with professional commitment and a strong will to dedicate to nation building. He is passionate about innovation, entrepreneurship, technical advancement, literary pursuits, and global interactions. Sir, we would like you to please ignite the stage with your kind words.
Thank you. Dear friends from the academic fraternity and technology minds, I am delighted to be here with all of you today. It's a very touching occasion when you are deliberating on the state of the art technologies. Okay, I think we can hear. Right. I would like to, take you all back 50 years in time when I was a student. And when we thought of chip designing, we would talk about, 30 microns, 20 microns, 10 microns. And when technology touched 1 micron, we were so enthusiastic that, okay, we are going to become sub-micron. The technical journals, words across the world, they were just, going all the way to announce that yes, sub-micron is not. And today, we are thinking of sub-nano. 3 orders below that. So think how technology progresses, how innovation takes place, and think of those people who are behind this change. thousands of mines. And if you talk of Silicon Valley, you talk of names like Intel and Pentium, half of those achievements are Intel. The word contributed only to the other. And to be truthful to you, America did not contribute much by way of their technical knowledge. They came from Japan. India was one of the leading participants. So friends, thinking of a situation when we talked about a 1-inch wafer or silicon materials or gallium arsenide, and moving on from diodes and transistors to op-amps to MOSFETs and gallium arsenide, and now so much more. There is a history to it, and that basically inspires us to do something further, to do something more. And we all know the challenges are increasing by the day. Today, companies are designing and making chips for artificial intelligence. From 1-inch substrates, we have come to 20-inch substrates. From 1 or 2 or 3 level lithographies, we go multi-level lithographies now. Materials are very exotic and novel. The technology speaks of parameters like not only space, it wants reduction in switching time, reduction in energy dissipation, and a research shows that the energy dissipation of a switching action in the human mind is the lowest that can be achieved in time. And that's what technology is like. Because if the number of steps that a human mind takes place by the dissipation level that we even today we have in our devices, we will be like boiling in our eyes. So these are challenges that we have. And an occasion like this, we call it FDP, but I don't really want to call it that. I want to call it, to learn and brainstorm further for achievements which we are expected to be. Okay. Now one more aspect. When we use the word faculty, the word is incomplete without taking the word student. Faculty for whom? Why are we all here? Why is this edifice? It is because we have home and prepare students who will take these challenges tomorrow. Okay? So, one simple sentiment. The best faculty is not the one who gets the best salary. The best faculty is the one who prepares the best student. If we talk of the best institutions in the country, IITs, IIMs, AIMS, so many others, it is because they produce the best minds. And that is supposed to be our responsibility. I see Dr. R.S. Gupta here, Agarwal Saab, Dr. Neelam, Dr. Sachin, and Dr. I missed the name, Dr. Sunil Mathur, and all of you. You have traveled along this change and achieved milestones. Now you are at the level where you have to mentor students. They are our future. Technology is going to change more and more rapidly by the day. Earlier they said half-life of technology, 10 years, 5 years, 1 year. Now, every day if you're working on a thesis, on a research topic, You are supposed to go to the library every day to see if a new journal has got something which you are doing already. Somebody else may have done it elsewhere in the world. And so, the worry is not how you will do it, the worry is that has somebody else done it before me? So that is where we have to work. And I must tell you that this is a great institution. Why? Because we have mentors who perceived it, conceived it, set it up, who are dedicated to the cause of education and to the nation. So it's not just a commercial organization. We have hundreds of them, but there the students' commitment, devotion, his or her moral values, they are not given priority. This is an institution where these aspects of human life are thought to be important, because in the longer run, these values and the technology that you learn or you think about and you want to tomorrow perform, they work together. So I will request all of you, you have such learned minds, okay? You seek their advice, sit with them. I remember going to my PhD guide's house after dinner at 9 o'clock, and we never knew when it was 12 or 1. The discussions used to be so intense. And that is what actually, helped us to perform. So with these words, I will request all of you to take very, close interaction in this program. And when we say developing the faculty, it's actually developing the institution. Okay? You are the channel, the carrier, the vehicle to achieve, the vehicle to get the students to the level where they make a name for the institution. Thank you very much for inviting me, and wish you all the best for a good future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your influential message. Your enthusiasm and valuable knowledge have truly charmed and inspired us. Gratitude is a fearless blossom which springs from the soul. Today, as we stand on the threshold of the ATAL FDP inauguration, we are privileged to express our gratitude for the collective efforts that have brought us together. हरि कृपा तब जानिए, दे मानव अवतार, गुरु कृपा तब जानिए, मुक्त करे संसार. Professor Neelam Sharma, Director NEET, has been a dedicated mentor. Her zeal and enthusiasm motivating us to strive for excellence. I kindly request ma'am to enlighten us about this FDP. Let's show our appreciation with a big round of applause for her presence on the stage.
Respected Dr. Nanti Shorkar sir, Founder and Chief Advisor and a motivating light for all the programs of this institution. Shri S.P. Agarwal sir, Executive Chairman and a retired IAS officer who guides us not only in the administrative needs of the institution but also in the technical know-how, because he has also been a faculty before he started his administrative career. Dr. Subodh Jindal sir, Chairman of the Silver Jubilee events of this year. As you all know that this is a Silver Jubilee year for METES, Made Society, as well as for Made. He is a renowned industrialist and an IITian, an academician, and also the President of Alumni IIT Delhi. So he is always there to support us, to guide us academically in administrative, responsibilities as they come. So he's always there to throw a guiding light and guide us. Dr. Umakant Goel, scientist DRDO, we were all very happy to hear his speech when we came. So he was in the last stage of delivering his content for the day. So a very warm welcome to you, and we are all very happy that you all are here to share what you are doing at DRDO with our faculty members. Dean Mate, Dr. S.S. Deswar, Dean Research and Innovation, Dr. Sachin Gupta, Dr. Sunil Mathur, HOD Electronics and Communication Department Engineering, and also the organizer of this event. He has been working very hard. I think from the past 1 year, they have been on this FDP program ever since they applied for the grant, and then they applied for the grant, they received the grant, and they have been working on this FDP program. So many stages have gone through it, and that is how everything is going on very smoothly right now, because 1 year talking on the same thing, organizing whom to invite, whom not to invite, and how are we going to make the brochure, how are we going to make the the poster, so all these things have been going on from the past 1 year. And also Professor R.S. Gupta, he is a very valuable resource for the Electronics and Communication Department, a senior member, and he has been a guiding light to all of us, and both in the administration as well as technically he has been there. So many PhDs in the department, they are all being guided by him. So thank you very much for all your guidance and for all your support. All the heads of the department who are always there and who are present over here to make this program a success. Dr. Anubha Goel, she has been working very hard. She has been the co-PI for this particular FDP program, in making the write-up of the content that was desired by ICT for the grant of the fund and also for the organization. So I think Dr. Anubha, you have done your part well, and it's a good event, a very good event. Also, AICT, Maharaja Agri Singh Institute of Technology, Electronics Department, and AICT ATAL Academy is organizing this 6-day FDP on semiconductor materials, devices, design and applications. So as Subodh sir mentioned, that IC chip design has come a long way. So many things have happened, and now with the vision of Mr. Narendra Modi ji, things are going to go in an exponential way now, because as you all know that semiconductor is going to rise, and electronics department once again it is enriched, because this year 2 new branches have started in the department, that is BTech ECE in VLSI and BTech ECE in ACT, Communication Techniques, Advanced Communication Techniques. So all the best to all the faculty members. You all have to keep on updating your skills so that you can come up to the mark of today's student, because today's student is very sharp. So he has a lot of ideas. So you are the ones who have to guide the student in the right direction so that he can become an entrepreneur, an innovator and an entrepreneur. I stand before you with a profound sense of joy and pride as a director of an esteemed institute. It is a pleasure to announce a significant achievement of the department. AICT has kindly granted a total budget of 3.5 lakhs to successfully organize this educational program. Semiconductors represent a dynamic and rapidly evolving fields, and our FDP has been meticulously crafted to address key factors of the domain. That is, RF design techniques, advanced semiconductor design, device design techniques, RF characterization of high frequency devices, assembly and packaging of high frequency devices, different semiconductor devices and their applications, advance in high power semiconductor materials. I am delighted to share that, as Dr. Sunil Mathur mentioned, that our FDP has an overwhelming response of 50 candidates, out of which 18 candidates are internal and 36 external candidates. Can the external candidates just raise their hands? कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे who have come from other organizations? Very good. So we have many of them present right now, and of course during the sessions, and some of them will also be attending it online, right? No one, everybody, all 36 will be coming offline. So that is very good. So I hope you all learn and learn to the extent that you can publish papers in this particular field, because that is going to be the demand of the day. Also, each faculty, because whenever you do some good work, I always believe in pyramid kind of working. So pyramid working means that you have a person at the top who's guiding you, then you have the next person who's doing the brain level work, and then we have the next level of students, or whatever means the next level of people who are doing the whole work. That is what I call it. So आपको मतलब एक person who is guiding you, and then gradually the students who are doing the whole work, they will come to the brain work, and then they will come to the top. So we have to have an entire team who is working on a particular problem, and that is how the research keeps on. That's how the research goes on. You have a PhD scholar, you have an MTech scholar, and you have BTech scholars along with you. And now I think most of our departments, what we are doing is that when the student is coming to final year and when he is doing his project work, his minor project and major project, we are also encouraging students to publish papers. Some students are publishing papers in journals, and some students are publishing papers in conferences if it is not. But all faculty is guiding them to publish papers in journals as well as in conferences, which is also motivating the students towards research and innovation. Right? So I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the participants for this enthusiasm and commitment. I also want to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in putting together a program of such a high caliber. Thank you all, and I wish everyone a rewarding and insightful experience during the faculty development program. As Subodh Jindal sir said, the more the faculty learns, the more they will be equipped to handle today's students. So our final aim is producing good brains, producing good students, and mentoring them in the proper and right manner. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable insights. It is my distinct pleasure to invite Dr. Anubha Goyal to the stage to propose the vote of thanks. Her insightful words will undoubtedly reflect the appreciation we feel for everyone involved in making this event possible.
विद्या से मिलती रहे जीवन में पहचान, मिले सभी को रत्न ये हो विशेष सम्मान. Being entrusted with the role of co-coordinator has been a privilege, and I am deeply thankful for this opportunity. I stand before you with a profound sense of honor and gratitude. Today, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the visionaries and pillars of support who have made this event possible. A gracious acknowledgement is extended to ATAL AICT for their generous grant of 3.5 lakhs, which played a significant role in bringing this event to fruition. Firstly, my sincere gratitude goes to Dr. Nandkishore Garg, the founder and chief advisor MAIDS, Vineet Lohia ji, chairman MAIDS, Shri S.P. Agarwal ji, executive chairman MAIDS. Your unwavering support and the platform you provided have allowed me to extend my capabilities to the fullest, making this event a reality. I extend my thanks to the chief guest of today's event, Shri Subodh Jindal ji, sir, who has spared his time. I extend my thanks to Professor Neelam Sharma ma'am, Director MAID, whose constant motivation has been instrumental in inspiring us to strive for excellence. My gratitude also goes to Professor S.S. Deswal ji, Dean Academic MAIDS, Professor Sachin Gupta ji, Dean Research and Innovation MAID, for a consistent and valuable support throughout the journey. A heartfelt thanks to all the respected HODs who have graced us with their presence, sparing their valuable time to boost our confidence and contribute to the success of this event. I express my deepest appreciation to our distinguished speakers whose willingness to share their knowledge has been crucial in making this FDP a success. Your valuable lessons have added immense value to our collective learning experience. A special acknowledgement to all the participants without whom this event would not have been a success. Your active involvement has been pivotal. It is with immense gratitude that I extend my heartfelt thanks to Professor R.S. Gupta sir for his invaluable contributions to the success of this event. His unwavering guidance and support have been instrumental, making it possible to assemble a plethora of distinguished academicians and experts from various industries to grace our platform as speakers. Professor Gupta's vision and commitment to excellence have paved the way for an enriching and insightful experience for all of us. Without his steadfast support, the realization of this gathering of knowledgeable minds would not have been possible. I must acknowledge that the wheels for this event started turning months ago. A special commendation is due to the dedicated faculty and staff members of the EC department at NAIT. Your tireless efforts, even during the final moments, and your wholehearted acceptance of the challenges did not go unnoticed. A special mention to the core executive committee, Ms. Shalu and Ms. Neeraj, for their constant dedication. My gratitude extends to the registration committee led by Ms. Swati Sharma and Ms. Preeti Goel, who handled it with effortless grace. My gratitude extends to the stage decoration committee, Dr. Rashmi and Dr. Anamika Jain, who accommodated every last-minute request. I appreciate Mr. Praveen Seni, the lab coordinator, for facilitating all the requisites for this event, and Mr. Ram Mishra, our video photography maestro. Last, but certainly not the least, my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Sunil Kumar, the HOD, and the coordinator of this FDP. Your constant presence and guidance have been a cornerstone throughout this incredible journey. Thank you everyone for your collective efforts and unwavering commitment to the success of this FDP. Your contributions have made it memorable and enriching experience for all of us. In conclusion, I express my sincere appreciation to each and every individual who played a role, big or small, in making this FDP a remarkable success. Thank you for your dedication, enthusiasm, and unwavering support. Together, we have created an impactful learning experience that will resonate for a long time to come. Thank you.
I extend my heartfelt appreciation to Dr. Anubha Goel for her unwavering dedication, hard work, and inspiring words. Her commitment to excellence is truly commendable, and she serves as a beacon of inspiration for all of us. I would like to request Dr. Divya Goel to present a sapling to Dr. Ashish Jindal.
Who's the speaker? Who's the second speaker of the day today? And he's here with us today.
After a morning filled with enriching discussions and valuable insights, it is time for a well-deserved break. I invite you all to indulge in a sumptuous lunch that waits us in room number 416, 4th block. To our esteemed dignitaries, respected faculty members, and enthusiastic participants, we request you to proceed for lunch and enjoy the opportunity for networking and informal conversation. Kindly note that we will resume our afternoon session promptly at 2.